A person skinny for 3 days driving. Yeah, I mean, I got a lot between that and like your what are you going for? Stove. It's only one I haven't skied in the state.
She for you today. Just got some. Today. Good afternoon and welcome to the December Hogs and Pigs briefing. My name is Lance Honig and I serve as chair of the Agricultural Statistics Board at NASS. This briefing is for the Secretary of Agriculture and other policymakers at USDA to better understand the content and context of today's report. We're very pleased to have Dr. Cindy Nickerson, USDA's Deputy Chief Economist, joining us as Secretary Designate today. Before I turn things over to our presenter, I do have a few notes for our live streaming audience. The Hogs and Pigs report is considered a principal federal economic indicator report. The Office of Management and Budget provides specific guidance on how this important report is to be released. OMB statistical policy instructs policymaking officials to refrain from making public comment regarding the content of this report within 30 minutes of its release. Therefore, we will not be taking questions from the public during this briefing. NASS staff are available for phone or email questions. We always strive to have everything presented in this briefing match the official record. However, should you find any discrepancy, always refer to the official published estimates. With that, I'll turn things over to Travis Averill, Chief of the NASS Livestock Branch. Travis.
Thank you, Lance, and I appreciate everyone joining us here today for the December Hogs and Pigs Agricultural Statistics Board briefing. First, I'd like to provide an overview of the December 2025 quarterly Hogs and Pigs survey. On the map are the sample sizes for all 50 states in the program. A total of 5,752 operations were surveyed this quarter. Data collection started on November 23rd and finished on the 10th of December. Normal collection methods were used to gather data through mail, internet, telephone, and face-to-face interviews. The primary data items collected were total inventory by class and weight groups, along with sows, farrowing, pig crop, and pigs per litter. This quarter's revisions for U.S. hogs and pigs. All inventory and pig crop estimates from March of 2024 to September of 2025 were reviewed using final pig crop, official slaughter, death loss, and updated import and export data. This table has the initial estimate, current revisions, the net revision, and current estimate. This was the second opportunity for revisions for June of 2025. The all hogs and pigs inventory and the pig crop for March to May of 2025 net revisions are both down 1.9%. Current estimate of inventory is at 73.7 million head. The current estimate for pig crop is at 33.5 million. This quarter was the first opportunity for revisions to September 2025. All hogs and pigs for September 1, 2025. Net revision is an increase of 1.1%. Current estimate is at 75.3 million head. For the June to August 2025 pig crop, net revision is up 2.5%. My current estimate is at 34.9 million head. December 1st, all hogs and pigs inventories at 75.5 million head, up 0.6% from previous year. Breeding hogs is at 5,952,000 head, a decrease of 0.9% from 2024. Market hogs is at 69.6 million head, up 0.8% from last year. You can see the top 5 states are listed in the bottom left-hand corner. Iowa is number 1. They're up 4% from previous year. Minnesota is number 2. They're up 1% from last year, whereas North Carolina is down 4% and Illinois is down 1% from previous year. And Indiana wraps up the top 5 and they're up 1% from previous year. The bottom right-hand corner has a chart of the U.S. quarterly hogs and pigs inventory from 2016 to present. The December inventories are represented by the orange squares. In the previous quarter for September is the green diamond on the chart there. Here's a map of the United States for December 1st, 2025 hogs and pigs inventory with comparisons to 2024. The top number is the inventory as a unit of 1,000 head. The bottom number is the percent change from previous year. For the 16 published states here, we have 7 states that are increasing from previous year, and those are in blue, and 8 states are decreasing from 2024, and those are in red. You can see there's a little bit more of a change in magnitudes, color in magnitudes, because there's a few states that have a little sharper decrease from 2024, and 1 state's unchanged, and that's in gray. As you can see on the map, there's 2 states that have a pound sign following the inventory. That's in Iowa and Minnesota. That's a record high for both of those states for the respective quarter of December. As I stated on previous slide, market hogs is at 69.6 million. So let's look at the breakouts of market hogs by weight group. Less than 50 pounds is at 21.9 million head, up 1% from 2024. 50 to 119 pounds is at 19 million head, a decrease of 0.9% from previous year. Whereas 120 to 179 pounds is at 14.9 million head, up 0.6% from last year. And 180 pounds and over is at 13.9 million head, up 2.8% from 2024. Below the table is the quarterly distributions of weight groups since December of 2022. Next, we have sows farrowed. So for September to November 2025, sows farrowed is at 2,933,000 head, up 8,000 head from previous year. Though when we published the second intentions for the same quarter in September, sows farrow intentions was at 2,855,000 head, whereas the first intentions for the same quarter back in June was at 2,946,000. So second intentions for December 2025 to February 2026 is at 2,885,000 head, up 1.9% from prior year's actual farrowings. In the September hogs and pigs report, NAS had the same quarter for first intentions at 2,824,000 head. First intentions for March to May of 2026, sows farrowing is at 2,910,000 head, up 58,000 head from previous year's actual farrowings. At the bottom is the U.S. quarterly sows farrow chart since 2016. Sows farrow for September to November are the green squares. The second intentions for December to February is the orange diamond, and first intentions for March to May is the purple triangle. Pig crop weaned for September to November 2025 is at 34,998,000 head, an increase of 0.4% from previous year. Pigs per litter weaned is at 11.93, up from the rate of 11.92 from last year and up 11.11 from previous quarter's litter rate. So you can see the chart of U.S. quarterly pigs per litter from 2016 to present. It's been continued sow efficiency over time, though it's not as increasing right now from prior years. Trade expectations compared to NAT's estimates as a percent of previous year. The trade ranges are gray, trade averages are the black circles, and NAS estimate is the red square. So the 6 items on this chart graph here, you can see all of NAS red squares are to the right of the trade ranges. So trade ranges are below NAS expectation and NAS estimates. Here's another look at all hogs and pigs chart of ASB first versus final estimates for the last 10 years. ASB first and final estimates are the blue and red line respectively, with the trade ranges in light gray. So since 2016, 21 of the 37 quarters are within trade expectations. Here's a table of the U.S. breeding herd inventory for the last 10 years and provides a disposition and utilization. The previous quarter breeding herd was at 5,936,000 head, During the current quarter, sows, hog producers slaughtered 798,000 head, while adding back 814,000 to the breeding herd. The current quarter's breeding herd is at 5,952,000, which is down 52,000 from last year. Sow utilization is calculated from the current quarter sows farrow of 2,933,000 head divided by the previous quarter breeding herd and equates to 49.4%. The Canadian imports by quarter for feeder pigs and slaughter hogs. Canadian feeder pigs and slaughter hogs imported for the fourth quarter of 2025 accounted for 1,786,000 head compared to 1,585,000 head in 2024. This is an increase of 12.7% from last year. The Canadian quarter import values are above the respective quarter. Feeder pigs as a percentage of the imports are light blue. Of the imports from Canada, 75% are feeder pigs, or 1,333,000, up 17.8% compared to prior year's total of 1,132,000 head. Whereas slaughter hogs as a percentage of the imports are illustrated with a darker blue, slaughter hogs accounted for 25% of the Canadian imports, or 452,000 head, compared to 453,000 in previous years. The U.S. prices received by farmers for hogs and corn. The chart provides the prices for the last 10 years. The hog prices are blue, corn prices are red. The most current prices are for October. The November prices will be released next week on December 31st. To the right of the chart are the hogs and corn prices for the last 6 months, along with the ratios. As you can see, the 6-month ratios have ranged from 14.74 in May to as high as 20.15 in August. Historically, the break-even is 15, so the last 6 months have actually looked pretty good if you're using that as a comparison. Highlight of selected upcoming NASS reports. In addition to today's hogs and pigs report, we have 3 monthly reports in front of you: livestock slaughter, poultry slaughter, and cold storage report. On December 31st, as I stated earlier, agriculture prices. On January 2nd, the CARE report for cotton systems, fats and oils, and grain crushers will be released. Dairy products on January 6th. January 12th is the annual crop production, grain stocks. January 22nd, livestock slaughter. January 23rd, cattle and feed, and we'll wrap up January with the January cattle report along with sheep and goats. Just a reminder to save the date for USDA's Agriculture Outlook Forum will be held on February 19th and 20th in Arlington, Virginia. Attendance is available as a hybrid with either in-person or virtual options. Look out for registration as when it's available. All reports are available at the NASS official website. I appreciate everyone attending today's live streaming session for the December quarterly Hogs and Pigs ASB briefing. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day and happy holidays. This concludes